All right, hello Fire Tech Online students. So this video here means that we are coming to the end of the semester and completing, or I'm recording this video for the last two modules that we have for this class. So I'm going to go through those modules real quick. They're going to open up on December 5th at midnight, so midnight going into December 5th, and they're going to run until December 9th. Which everything is going to be due on Friday, December 9th. So I'm going to lock down all of the assignments and all of the quizzes on December 9th, and no late assignments will be accepted at that point. So Module 14, we're looking at Rapid Intervention Crew and then some special operations. So what I have in each of these modules these are some of the specialties that we have in the fire service. For example, hazardous materials, we get sent to school to do that. Fire boats, we have fire boats. Urban search and rescue, USAR, you might hear that. These are all specialty areas that you could not only do your firefighting and your EMS responsibilities, but you can learn an additional skill and perhaps get paid for that additional skill if any of those interest you. So I've included some videos and then also some some certifications that you have to get that go along with it. So a little bit of explanation there. For wildland, their OCFA has a Wildland Fire Academy, and these are the certifications that you get in there. I've included a couple of videos and then some resources if you're into wildland firefighting. So I've also included, excuse me, some of the specialties that are offered in my department. For example, hazardous materials. I'm a technician and specialist as well as assistant safety officer. And then we all get first responder operational or first responder operations. A couple of videos in here. This one is particularly good. It's a hazardous materials incident. California Specialized Training Institute is where I did my classes. For the hazardous materials technician, there's 4 40-hour classes, and the specialist, there's 2 40-hour classes for a total of 6 to get both of those certifications. And so these are the requirements. So what I've done is I've included a little bit of that in this module. There's no test for any of those. It just gives you a look at some of the other things that are offered. When we move into Rapid Intervention Crew, okay, and Rapid Intervention Team, this video quiz, there's a couple of videos here on Maydays and RIC deployment, Rapid Intervention Crew deployment, and the car incident. So you're going to watch these videos and then you're going to take a quiz. This video, the car incident, is put together by Glendale Fire. I knew the chief for Glendale Fire at the time, really, really good guy, friend of mine. And they put together a great video on an actual incident, a center hallway fire that they had where they had to deploy a rapid intervention crew because they had firefighters fall through the floor of a working structure fire. So you're going to watch that video, complete the quiz, and then the final assignment for you is the 2-year and 5-year plan, right? So go ahead and read through this, and you're just going to complete I want to know what your goals are. Create your checklist. What do you want to accomplish in the next 2 years? What do you want to accomplish in the next 5 years? Okay, so some of those things are available to you. So matter of fact, next semester, if you want to complete some more fire tech classes, what are those? Create a checklist for yourself so you can check those off. In the fall, if you want to go to the fire academy, check off fire academy when you get there. And then if you want to do bachelor's degree or associate's degree or whatever else you're going to do along with testing, write those goals out, create a checklist and create a timeline, all right? And figure out what your desired outcome is and how you want to achieve it. And that is going to be your 2 and 5-year plan. That will complete module 14, and then you'll move into module 15, which is the behavioral health exam and final exam. So for the behavioral health, there's a video here. This video is by the International Association of Firefighters. and it talks about the resources that we have and the advancements that have been made in behavioral health in the fire service. And finally, I end off with a longer video from a friend of mine, Eric. Eric worked for our department for a short time before going back to his previous department, and he shares his story of mental health and behavioral health with everyone. And then I have some follow-up questions from the videos that you're going to watch there. Most importantly, you're going to see some bad things in this profession, some things that you're going to have ways of coping. And the most important thing for you is that as these stresses get high, as these as these things start to wear on you, you understand that there are resources available to you to deal with those things. Not everybody's going to need those resources, but some people may, and knowing that those are available to you and knowing that they're available to you early on is a good thing. And that's a journal entry. So just like the rest of the journal entries, it's a 15-point journal entry. You'll complete that. And then we have a 100-question final exam that you can take. You only get one shot at the final exam. It's multiple choice. It's very similar to the questions that you have seen previously. And then we have the end of course survey. So with that, I wish all of you the best of luck in the future as you continue through your career. You can email me or send me a pronto message with any questions that you may have, or if you need any assistance, I can help you with that. But that's it for this semester. I know it was a lot into a very short period of time. I've done my best to keep up with all the grades. I think I pretty much have everything graded that I had in my inbox so far. And like I said, best of luck on the final. Best of luck to all of you as you continue your journey through Fire Tech 101 or through the Fire Tech program. I hope you enjoyed the class. I know it is a little bit different online, not having a live meeting, but busy schedules and life happens. So this gives you an opportunity to complete these classes in a different format. So again, thank you all, and good luck to all of you the rest of the way through your fire department career.